Let's learn about vegetables.
Susie, what do you know about vegetables? I know a lot about them. Carrots are orange and good for your eyes. Broccoli is green and rich in vitamins. Peas are small and round. They can sometimes be eaten as snacks. Potatoes come in various colors and can be made into tasty fries. Spinach has leaves and is great for salads. Tomatoes are red and are often used in sauces. Cucumbers are long green and crunchy. Bell peppers come in various colors and can be stuffed with rice. Cutting onions might make you cry, but they add flavor to many dishes. Pumpkins are orange and used for making delicious pies.